Hello guys, you welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are stopping here for the first time, my name is Adekunle Ifeoluwa. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. Yes guys, you welcome again, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get your 15 minutes makeup for your workplace. Yes, so this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get your makeup done in 15 minutes or less, depending on how fast you are and how good you have been consistently applying makeup. This video will be showing you the basic things you need to do on your face if you are going to work in the morning. And guys or ladies, it depends. So if you know that your workplace deserves makeup, of course do makeup. But if you know that it does not really deserve makeup, please my sister, just focus on your skin. And that is one point I will emphasize on. Make sure your skin is good, ladies. Make sure your skin is nice. So that means you can go to your office with or without makeup. If you add makeup, it is a plus, it is a bonus. But without makeup, you still look good, you still look stunning. So guys, don't underestimate the essence of having a good skin. Having a good skin really makes a difference. It makes you confident in your skin with or without makeup. But that aside, today we are going to be placing emphasis on how to apply makeup to the office. And guys, you know I am a civil servant, so of course I am in the right position to teach you how you can quickly get your makeup done in the morning. So come with me, let's start. And if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching.
I'll be starting this makeup using the Mismetic primer all over my face. And
your primer helps to make sure that your face is matte throughout the day. You don't want your face to look greasy, and people will be asking, yeah, why is your face oily? So for oily skin ladies, you need your primer. I'll be massaging this into my skin. The reason why it is turning white is because I have sunscreen on my face previously. So I'll be putting this generously all over my skin. This is done, I will make sure it is matte. Once I am done with the primer, I'll be going into my
Maybelline Superstay in Mocha, and you need
a foundation that is full coverage so that you don't need to do a lot of concealing after you have applied your foundation. So, and that is why I'm going into my Maybelline Superstay foundation in Mocha
with a damp beauty blender. And ladies, you have to know how to blend well, because your blending actually is the one that will bring out the beauty in this makeup procedure. Also, don't forget to apply your makeup generously on your face, on your forehead, your eyes, everything, because you are not going to be going so much into the other processes. So you need to make sure your face looks seamless as possible. The foundation blends and covers everywhere and every part of your face. This is what will make this makeup routine very beautiful. I will be using this concealer to highlight my face.
This step is not something you really need to do. It depends on what you want. But because I am a pro makeup artist, I still always want to do most of the things that I do as a makeup artist for the office. So I just want to highlight under my eyes a bit, not too much, just to bring that brightness under my eyes.
And I'm using the LA Girl concealer in Toast for my highlights under my eyes. So I don't want it to be too extra bright. I still want something that will make me look as natural as possible, and that is why I am applying a shade lighter than my foundation color. It even blends perfectly well. You can see that there's no difference between this concealer and my foundation.
Sometimes you can put it on your forehead. It is not so compulsory. Once I am done with this, I'll be going into Milani powder in warm and in deep. So ladies, it depends. If you are buoyant enough, I would advise that you get a powder, a shade lighter, and a powder darker, or exactly your shade. But this is a shade lighter and this is exactly my shade. So I'll be using this on places where I used my normal concealer, and I'm using this all over my face. So let's get right into that.
I'll be using my face brush to apply the light powder all over the places I concealed. You can also go into your face pad. I wonder why I forgot it at this point, but your face pad makes it very easy to get into the inner corners of your eyes. So it just makes it easy to apply the powder there. I'll be doing the same on the other part of my face, and you can see that place looks accentuated and brighter. That is what you want to achieve, ladies. I will also apply the powder on my chin and on my forehead, basically every place that I used my concealer on. Guys, we are still trying to work with 15 minutes, so let's see. I hope time has not gone at this point, but checking and judging by what I have here, time is still on my side, so let's keep going.
Once I am done with this, I'll be going into my deep powder, Eyeliner deep powder.
And I'll be applying this on the rest of my face where I did not apply the other powder. So basically, I'm using the lighter powder on places where I highlighted, and I'll be using a powder that is my shade or darker than me on the rest of my face. Just ladies, to achieve this, you can go for a powder palette. So a powder palette, you have different shades that you can mix together. So instead of buying 2 different powders and all, you can opt for a powder palette that will allow you to achieve the different shades of color that you need for your face, and it just makes your makeup come out well.
And that is that, guys. You already have your foundation and your concealer and your powder on. Even like this, you are good to go to work, right? Yeah, I believe so. I'm not going to stop there. Be going into my blush. You don't want your face to be too plain. I'll be going into this orange blush here
and applying it on the apple of my cheeks, which I'm basically doing here. Guys, you don't want your face to look too plain. You want different dimensions of your face to be accentuated, and that is why I'm using a blush, because just using your powder and your foundation alone makes your face look nothing. It looks boring, but you need something to just add some bits of extra color and warmth to your face, and that is why we are applying blush to work. You don't necessarily need to apply blush to work. It depends on what you want and what you want to achieve.
Once I am done with this,
we're going straight into my brows.
Don't need to do too much on your brows. Just slightly fill it in.
And I do this by going into my Milai brow pencil to just draw strokes into my brows. I make sure they look as natural as possible. I don't apply too much pressure.
Then you do the same to the other side,
so it can look as natural as possible, and also filling your hairs as lightly as possible. So with this, your brows look very natural. There's no need for concealing. You can go out with your brows looking like this, as natural as possible. You don't need too much.
Then you brush it up.
We should know by now that brushing up your brows after filling it makes all the wax blend together, so everything looks as natural.
There's no need to conceal anymore, guys. You don't need concealer. You don't need to highlight or do anything. With this, you are good to go. I don't know. Some people will still prefer to conceal. If you have the time, you can do that. But if you don't have the time, please, ladies, keep moving. As for me, once I am done with my brows, this is my brows. It looks good. I'll be going into my eyeliner. This is my Polar B eyeliner, and it is dark and pigmented. It does the work.
And I'll be applying it on my lower waterline. Yes, I'll be doing this carefully. So guys, you want to make sure it is on your waterline and not out of your waterline. When it goes out of your waterline, it comes out in a very funny way. Then after that, I'll be tight lining. Tight lining is basically just applying it on the upper waterline, as you can see me do here. Just carefully. You have to have practice well to be able to get this, but with time, I'm sure, and with consistency, you'll be able to apply this.
Once you are done with this, you go straight into your Zaron mascara,
and I'll be applying this on my lashes above and below. Guys, they took the light. I don't know if you noticed the change in lighting. So they took the light while I was filming, but thank God I'm used to natural light. It does not make any difference. So guys, natural light is superb, the best light you can ever use for your videos. So carefully, I'll be using my Zaron mascara on my upper lashes just to lengthen it and make it look fuller.
Lastly, ladies, you go into your lip gloss. This is just the icing on the cake. You can decide to use any color, any other color, anyone you prefer, but I always prefer my lip gloss.
It is quick and easy to use. You are ready to move. You don't even have any problem doing this. You can decide to use a colored lip gloss if that is what you think suits you best. So that is that.
Some people will prefer to apply their highlighter and shine on the sides, but it depends on the office you are going to. You don't want a full bit, you just need something to make you pass by, something to make you keep going, something to make you look good and attractive enough in the office. And this is what we've achieved. And set all your makeup with your Kiss Beauty setting spray. I will just
sprint this all over my face to set the whole makeup and make sure everything is blended into each other.
Back into my civil servant wig. Yes. So guys, we have come to the end of this look, and what I did was just basically show you the basic steps you need to do to achieve a beautiful radiant look for work. This look can also pass for a look when you are going out with friends or a casual outing, or you just quickly need to get by. This look is the look for you. You don't need to spend so much time trying to glam up yourself. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and also I'll be reading your comments. And if you also have any content idea, or you have a video you want me to show, or something you want me to make on this channel, don't hesitate to drop your comments. And so guys, we have come to the end, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.